Hi, I'm Dr. Roy Spicer. I'm here today with Brian Clements, the director of the Hippocrates Health Institute. We've just installed an upgraded water filtration system for the Institute, and Brian would like to make a few remarks about it.
Well, what is incredibly important is consumption of pure water. People don't realize that there are several foods. Oxygen is one, water is another. As a matter of fact, after 4 days without water, you pass on. So to us here at Hippocrates, which is renowned for people healing disease, this is fundamental. This is actually in a placement before food itself. And Dr. Spicer, who's a scientist, is able to do something I've never been able to have achieved in the last 50 years of my professional career. He analyzes the water. He knows exactly what this particular geographic location requires, and he creates a system that works on this, not on your neighborhood. He'll do one for you. And this is a lifesaver. So if you invest in anything in your life, water systems like this are fundamentally essential.
Well, first of all, I want to thank you very much for the opportunity to install the system, and we know that it's going to bring health to all the people that come to the Institute, along with the wonderful juicing that you supply. This is not only going to upgrade people's health profile, but they can take it home with them. They'll learn how to clean their water, juice, and do other things that will improve their health. So I want to thank you much again.
Take care, man.